All right, this is our warm up, and yesterday's warm ups today. We're really like reviewing the sixth grade skills that hopefully you guys did through like Edgenuity over the summer. This one here, we're going to write the equivalent forms, meaning we're going to write the fraction, decimal, and percent form of each of these numbers. So I've kind of built a grid over here: fraction, decimal, percent. So 27, well, it's already written as a percent, so we can put it in the percent category. So how do we take a percent and write it as a decimal? We move the decimal two places, so two places to the left. So it's like the decimal's there between the 2 and the 7. So we move it 1, 2 places, and it'll come out in front. So I would kind of show that we're at 27%. Decimals here, move it 1, 2, so we get point 27, and you can put a 0 in the front of that decimal, and that decimal is the same as saying 27%. So how do we write anything as a fraction? Fraction should be easy in this sense because a percent is a number out of 100. So we have 27 out of 100. And you can be done there, but you can look to see if it could be reduced. If there's a number that goes into 27 that also goes into 100, we could reduce it. In this case, there isn't, so that is our reduced answer. So that's 5 checked off. Now we're going to go to 6. It's in a decimal form. It's 0.91. So how would I write that as a percentage? I got to move the decimal. So I'm going to rewrite it over here, 0.91. We're going to move the decimal 1, 2 spaces to the right, and it will become 91%. And then how do I write that as a fraction? Again, percent is a number out of 100. So it's 91% out of 100. Okay. Then we have this last one, number 7. It's already written as a fraction. It's 6 over 100. To write that as a decimal, this is 6 100ths. So I could do the long division of 6 and 100. So 100 goes into 6, exactly 0 times. 100 goes into 60, 0 times. 100 will go into our 600 6 times, and you can see I'll get that decimal 0.06. Okay, and then it would be done. So what is this as a percent? It's 6%, because written as a fraction, you can see it's out of 100. Now this could be reduced to 2 over 50, or sorry, 3 over 50, if you wanted to reduce it, but you don't have to.